Happy New Year, everybody. Don and Andrew with the all-new Evolution Deep Clean. We are now official Evolution Deep Clean. Take a look at all this nasty mess coming out. This carpet was from a renter who totally destroyed the place. We are finishing up. This whole area was black before, nasty. So look, you got to trust your service provider, and a trusted service provider will actually have all the certifications and training, insurances, everything that you'd want from a real professional. And they won't shortcut steps, they'll clean steps. So give us a call for a quote, 407-476-8525. Again, 407-476-8525. And you guys have a happy 2019. May it bring the success you're looking for.